Hello, we are back early in the morning. Uh, Today I'm going to do today problem of the day of the Leetcode. It's around 8 January, 8:55 a.m. Thursday. So today problem is hard. 1478 max dot product of two subsequents given to arrays nums and nums2. Return the maximum dot product between non-empty subsequents of num1 and num2 with the same length. A subsequence of the array is a new subsequence of an array is a new array which is formed from the original array by deleting some the characters without disturbing the relative position of the remaining characters. Subsequence of while 153 is not okay. Let's see the example one. We're given 2 1 minus 2 5 3 0 and minus 6, and the max output is 18. Okay. I've solved it off stream. I have a little hunch. I did see some of the comment section about talking about DP, but DP of thought. But let me first. Firstly, I will do is fix ing and take the dot product. Take dot product and look for the maximum of I minus 1 comma j minus 1. Since I cannot take ith element, but still, and I cannot take j minus 1 element, I have to pick from array 1 I minus up to I minus 1, and in nums2 j minus 1 up to, and this will be a rectangle. This will be a rectangle or a grid of I comma size of size I minus 1 and j minus 1. So let me create a DP. Let me take the int n1 equal to nums dot length, n2 is equal to nums length second array. N1 n2 int max max product integer dot min value, return max product. Now let me compute the correct state of the current state. Will be I comma j will be the nums of 1 comma I into nums of j, plus we need to find the rectangle max or a max of grid up to I comma j, up to I minus 1 comma j minus 1 comma of what grid of dp. So I will write another function that will public that will return an int, that is max of grid int I comma int j comma int dp. It will be a 2d dp. It will return the maximum max of the grid I comma j. So int I equal to 0 int up to x and y. Let's take the parameter x and y. I equal to 0, I is less than equal to x I plus plus. For int j equal to 0, j is less than equal to y. Max equal to math dot max of dp of I comma j. Still it is n ki power 4, 10 ki power 2, 500 ki power 4, right? 10 ki power 4, 10 ki power 2, 8. It will at least max out, right? I think. Nums of 2. Max of grid. Okay, my O is capital. I was giving correct int. Either it's going to TLE or I need to optimize my n up to n square. Yeah, it's TLE. I need to make it n square, I think. Use this test case. Oh shit, it's very long. I have to maximize the result. How can I get the maximum of max of let's do some optimization. I think no, I did not only. What the fuck I'm doing, brother? Huh? Why it's not deleting? If I need the maximum of I comma j, right? This 0 to I and 0 to I and j. I need the maximum of those. So I am doing n square, right? Can I do it in n rows? For it I am going to store the maximum of those. Maximum of up to here. I will store the maximum up to j, 0 to j, like prefix we do usually, and it can be done in n time, right? N cube. It can be done in n cube. and cube will tally 10 5 10 5 10 power 6 into 15. It's still good. 10 power 7, 10 power 7, I think. I think we'll just do it. Oh. Oh shit, I need to write it down here. No, this will do it, yeah. And also I'm just passing prefix. Row to x rows, and I'm going to no, yeah, I made wrong. I used wrong array. Huh? Array, no, fuck. Shit. Yeah, this won't TLE and cube. We yay. Yeah. Yeah. No. Oh. Yes, we did it. Analyze complexities and cube. And into M. Yeah, M plus N. Yeah, hey, we did it. Let's see the editorial. No editorial. TP. Python code, sorry, C++ code are very hard to read. I've done it by my own today. First time doing something, at least I'm medium by own, that is not actually hard, but not that too hard. What were the skills? I don't understand this code. I'm not getting how to read properly. I will ask him directly how to optimize it. Okay, let's read his code at least. Approach 2, second problem uses recursion with memo. First approach uses the iterative DP of space optimization. Core 2 is the implementation dynamic. Okay, yeah. We could do it in that way also. I think we could have avoided n cube by changing just order of the iteration for column from column to row. We can go from that j and 2. And we can use the global current max, I think. this will can it do it. uh, from that j0 and, yeah, this may produce error. Yeah, this may produce an error because yeah, this won't give us a good result or wrong answer every time. Let's say from j to 0 to n2, I to n1, I'm going from here, top to bottom, top to bottom. For here I would need the maximum up to this and maximum up to this, right? How can I do it this? I can use an hash map. From for this I do it top to bottom. If I am here, I would need the current max and the max from only from up to this layer, right? Layer. Up to this layer, right? Up to अरे यार, why the fuck I submit? $24? How the hell is it coming 24? Up to I'm not able to do it. How to get a maximum of a window? Okay. Still not. Come here, you come here. Oh, my hands are cold. How to get the maximum of I and G? I minus 1, G minus 1, right? N of O of 1. Asking the previous state to give me the answer of current. That can do it, I think. I think I can do that. Use this only. No, getting wrong. My submission. Where is my submission here? Copy this to the editor. Now what I can do is I can ask the prefix array only, right? Can I ask the prefix array if can be greater than? Here is a question mark. Ah, it's not giving me correct answer. 15. 15. How did I get 15? 5 3 is a 15, right? Oh, no, correctly. I've done. I think, and I think am doing correctly, but I'm using wrong states to calculate it. Yes. Why is it giving wrong? How can I see? How can I even see this will be wrong? This result will be this result will be a wrong answer. How the heck I can do that? There are load of lot of many. I minus 1, j minus 1, I minus 1, j minus 1, yeah. Current max equal to dp of I comma j to current max. Huh. I think I'm doing something wrong. Nah. I don't think I need this. Oh यार रे यार, कंट्रोल Z ही नहीं है मेरे कीबोर्ड में. The result is getting smaller and smaller. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. How am I updating the prefix array? First I'm row 0. For every column I'm going to do this, and for every column I am also taking care of I minus 1, j minus 1, dp of I minus j minus 1. Current max equal to dp of I comma j current max. and current max I'm setting it to an let's set it to a still getting the wrong. Why I'm getting I'm going from here, here and here and here. Now if I'm comma j, I'm updating from its I comma j minus 1 and I'm also updating prefix of I comma j, prefix of I comma j equal to prefix of I comma j comma current max, and current max equal to dp of I comma j to current max. Let's submit it. Let's ask ChatGPT. How the heck I'm wrong? In my choose this, copy this. Why the fuck, bhai? think ChatGPT doesn't know anything? Huh? Use DeepSeek. Legs are hurting. Think I won't be able to do it today. This problem. 108, 107. 101, 108, where the heck I'm failing my other. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, we have done it. We have done it in N square. That's it. We optimize our problem to N square. I was not updating correctly thanks to DeepSeek. I did saw what was I doing wrong, because I was only taking the diagonal. I was not taking the above row and the column next to it. I think I don't need this. This can be removed. Yeah. Today I'm eating bullseyes. Yeah, boy. I think my memory, I've used a lot of memory. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. This was the problem I was looking yesterday. This can be done in the square. Split the. This was harder, I think. This was find maximum balanced XOR subarray. Given an array, okay, let's solve this. 3755. Find maximum balanced XOR subarray length. Given an integer array, return the length of the longest subarray that has a bitwise XOR of 0. Return in. Okay. I can do this. It is an extension of another problem, I think. Yeah. In this we can do what can we do is I need to code fastly. My iPad is going to shut down. Let this be a subarray with non-zero XOR. This will be array with a 0 XOR. So if I find an XOR, if I find similar same XOR same XOR again, that means the in between I have found I did have I did have both an array of XOR 0. So and with that we need an additional constraint that even an odd element should be equal the count of that. So we can do this. Okay. And but my leg. But we are also given such that count odd or even, but we can have multiple XOR with same XOR, right? I think, yeah. I cannot flush out the XOR of here, and we got an XOR 0 in between XOR, and again we got the same XOR here. Can we do that? Can we get the same XOR twice? TWIs? I don't think we will get exactly once, right? Every XOR will be exactly twice, right? I think we can do this. If I am seeing, let's do as this. If I am seeing XOR again here, so we did see, since it is a prefix, this XOR and this XOR is same, and this XOR should be 0. Then XOR should be 0, and if I am seeing same XOR again, then this XOR is mitigated to forward, so that means this is an 0 array. So so I just need to check the previous, right? I can't check other previous because okay, wait, again I'm seeing this XOR mitigated. Yeah, this is 0, this is a 0 array. So the same XOR is mitigated to forward. I won't be having here any. I won't be looking it here. It won't be here. If I am getting XOR here and again here, if I first encounter the XOR here, and again for a batch here 0, again I got an XOR here, then that means that what does that mean, right? This array produce. Then this should be this should be 0, right? This element should be a 0. This element is a 0. If this is not changing the previous XOR, either the current element should be a 0. And it's cold. For a non-zero, I cannot get that. For a non-zero, I think I won't get XORs. This should be currently 0. The other element should be 0. So I can use the XOR, first XOR, this XOR here, or this one, but it's bit untidy. Can it result to an n square? Let's assume the 0, 0, 0, 0. I think we will stop here. I will come back again to solve this problem. We managed to solve a hard today.